Open the glove box. Unhook the dampener arm. The glove box is secured by two tabs at the top. Press them forward and pull down on the glove box door to slide behind the tabs. Unclip and remove the filter housing door. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Insert your new filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Reinstall the filter housing door by threading the bottom tabs into their catch. Partially close the glove box to re-engage the stops. Hook the dampener arm back onto the glove box. Close the glove box.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.